first unit has a accident at Ridge, Cambria Wilson Road. The contact go to Cambria. Here, 6 tells for fireplace to the scene of a automobile accident at Ridge, Cambria Wilson Road. Second time out 08, 59 hours, County, October 5th.